Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about Moka. Who owns Moka and when was it founded? There are actually a couple of companies named Moka, so we'll cover the two major ones in the finance technology space. First, let's talk about the Canadian investing app, Moka, which was formerly known as Milo. This company was founded in 2017 and is currently owned by Mogo Incorporated, a Canadian digital payments and financial technology company. Mogo acquired Moka in an all-stock transaction that was completed in May 2021. Second, there is Moka in the payment processing and e-money sector, which primarily operates in countries like Turkey and Germany. This Moka was founded in 2014. In 2021, it was acquired by İşbank, one of the largest banks in Turkey. Later, in 2025, it merged with United Payment to become Moka United. So, for the popular Canadian investing app, it was founded in 2017 and is owned by Mogo Inc. For the Turkish-based payment and e-money institution, it was founded in 2014 and is currently part of Moka United, which is owned by İşbank and United Payments investors. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.